University Libraries offers access to a great number of subscription-based databases that can provide a lot of value to your research, whether as a journalist or as a scholarly researcher. To get here, you want to go to libraries.psu.edu to get to the library's homepage. From the library's homepage, you want to click on the Databases tab, and we're going to look at the Statistical Abstract of the United States. So I want to go here to S, click on S, and then I'll just scroll down to Statistical Abstract of the United States and click this link, which will bring us in. Statistical Abstract of the United States is a compendium of statistics on social, political, and economic conditions of the United States, plus a lot of demographic information as well. So you can see from our start here, from this opening page, you can actually select any annual edition of this. It comes out every year, going back to 1970 in this database. Just so you're aware, however, the Statistical Abstract itself actually goes back to the late 1800s. So that information is also accessible through other means. From the opening page, you can see some of the sections, the way it divides itself up, different types of information, energy and utilities, business enterprises, prices, population, births, deaths, marriages. And any of these, of course, you can just open up and browse through a list of the tables that are in that section. Okay, you're going to find information about ethnic groups, ages, areas of origin, and things like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the start page. You can, of course, search in this resource as well. Okay, so imagine you're doing some kind of story on, accidents or causes of death. Maybe if something occurred and you're following up on it. Let's put in accidental death. Okay, and from here you'll see now we have 15 tables have come up. First one, deaths and death rates by selected causes. Let's take a look at this. Okay, each table you're going to see is going to look exactly the same. They're the very simple layout, but each one will always list its original source for the data. This one, according to the source, is the U.S. National Center for Health Statistics. Many times these can be good agencies to follow up with or checking up on their website. Underneath it, you'll see a durable URL that will point to it. You can also see the URL of where the data came from, and even then scholarly citation format and things like that. But as we mentioned earlier, we were talking about things like the fine print. Okay, what does this mean? Where does this data come from? Will be many times listed up here and just beneath it as well. But we can see all causes, they total everything up for 2012 and 2013, but then you can see major cardiovascular diseases, okay, and these are, the rates are per 100,000 people, okay, so these are the numbers that occurred within 100,000. There's an adjusted rate, and the definition for that is down here, which you can read up on if you want to see more definition about that. But you can see specific medical conditions, accidents, transport accidents, okay, and then specifically motor vehicle accidents, okay, accidental discharge of firearms, drowning, and then additional other diseases and things like that. Okay, so a lot of different ways you can find information from here. It's laid out in a nice way. You can download it as a PDF. You can even download it in Excel spreadsheet format, which can be helpful if you want to maybe manipulate the data in some way. Okay, but that is just a quick overview of Statistical Abstract of the United States.